25 years ago on this very day, May 10th, 1998, Donna convinced me to quit my job of 11 years as a forklift driver. I had just completed my Top Fuel license. We've had a lot of highs and certainly a lot of lows, but I can tell you this, 25 years, we're still burning nitro and I still love it. And I appreciate you folks for everything you've done for all the years, coming out and watching us, hanging out, having fun, and burning nitro. I hope you enjoy the next few minutes. Put together a few clips of highlights along the way, and it's certainly not all of them. But I appreciate the last 25 years, and here's to maybe not 25 more, but here's to a lot more ahead. Thank you guys.